Let me ask you a few questions before starting this session. When we travel in a bus, when the bus starts moving, why do we jerk? We are in a stationary motion in a bus, so our body tries to retain its state of rest. That is why we feel the jerk. Another question. Imagine you are running and someone asks you to stop immediately. Will you be able to stop quickly? The answer to this question is no. Yes, you can stop, but gradually, not immediately. These two scenarios are example of Newton's first law. And guess what? It is same with every object. Now let me explain to you the phenomena of Newton's first law. Every object will continue to do what it's doing. If a body is at rest, it will remain at rest, and if it is in motion, it will stay in motion. But what can change this? Only an unbalanced force can change the motion. In the first case, if an unbalanced force is applied to the ball, it will change its state from rest to motion. In the second scenario, if an unbalanced force is applied to the moving ball, the acceleration of the ball will increase. This phenomena is nothing but Newton's first law of motion. Newton's first law of motion. An object at rest will stay at rest, an object in motion will stay in motion with the same speed and same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. Let us perform an activity to understand the Newton's first law of motion. For this activity, you will need candy sticks, a glass, a plastic plate, coin, and a glue gun. If you are ready with your material, so let's start. At the first stage, you will need 4 candy sticks. These 4 sticks are going to be the base and borders of our model. Apply the glue on the edges of 2 sticks. Now assemble 4 sticks together. So these 4 sticks are going to be our outline for the base. Our outline for the base is now ready. Let's build the base. The glass should be attached at the edge in the center. We need to make 2 units. Each unit consists of 7 candy sticks. Now our 2 units are ready. Let's assemble these units onto the base. Now take a candy stick. This candy stick is going to be our trigger. These 2 units are going to hold this trigger. Now we are going to stick one unit near the edge of the glass. Make sure the unit is intact with the glass. Now take the trigger and place it at the center. Apply the glue and fix it. Now add the second piece behind the trigger. Now fill the gaps between two units with the glue. Now I will place this plate on the top of the glass and balance this coin in the center. Now I will flip the plate with one clean motion. What did you see? The coin does not move with the plate. It falls straight into the glass due to gravity. We observed that an external force on the plate threw it off the glass, but the coin stayed at rest. This explains the Newton's first law of motion. I hope you enjoyed this project. Show some love by giving a like to the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.